Connecting Razorpay to your WordPress site is a smart move if you want to accept secure payments directly on your website. In this video, I'll show you how to connect Razorpay to WordPress website. So to get started, go ahead and open Razorpay and sign up for an account. So you'll find the sign up button at the top right of your screen. Fill out your business details and complete the KYC verification. Now, once you're verified, your account will be activated and ready to use. After that, head over to WordPress on another page, head over into the plugins tab, and then search for Razorpay for WooCommerce on the plugins marketplace. Now, once you're in here, click on that, and then click on this upgrade and activate button at the right side of your screen. And once you have installed it and activate it, you can go ahead and head back to your Razorpay account, go to settings, go to API keys, and click on generate keys. Copy your key ID and key secret, and then head back into WordPress. Go to WooCommerce, Settings, Payments, and enable Razorpay and click Setup. Paste your API key ID and secret, then save changes. Use Razorpay's test mode to simulate transactions. Make sure the payment button works and the order is processed correctly. And that is how you can basically connect Razorpay to WordPress website.